Ripper. Hello, mate. Snowy Sheathbill, I think they're called. You can see he's wet his clawed feet.
He's enjoying us watching him.
Yeah, a
Isn't
bit of a rest. I think he's done this before.
he?
He's certainly done this before. He might have had some pickings before, I think.
Yeah.
Because somebody's going to throw me a biscuit or a bit
Oh.
of something. But just the way he's,
Yeah.
he's too watchful. They obviously don't want you to feed the animals, but I'm sure somebody has thrown a crumb out and picked it up and said, I can get some crumbs out of this. How about close you can get to him? Yeah, so basically I think the trick would be walk over the hill first and then come back, because you've got penguins up the top. So walk over the hill, look at the shed, and then come back and look at the penguins. What you doing, mate? Hey, what you doing? What you doing? You're a beauty, aren't you? He's undercover. He's undercover from the snow. He's having a rest. And he thinks there's a bit of tucker around here somewhere. You should be able to get right up to it. Not worried about us at all.
He's funny, yeah.